Games can be exciting. They can offer control, achievement, escape. But sometimes they become the only place a child feels safe.
I'm almost there. Just one more round.
Danny, come play.
Slowly, the real world starts to feel harder than the game. Talking, playing, belonging. In the game, he knows the rules. In real life, he's not so sure anymore.
Danny, you've been very quiet lately.
Exhaustion is visible, but the deeper loss is quieter. Confidence, connection, and the courage to engage.
Online games are not the enemy, but when they replace real interaction, children stop practicing social skills. The virtual world feels safer because it demands less emotionally. No eye contact, no rejection, no risk. Without guidance, children may grow more isolated, even while being constantly connected. What they need is balance and support returning to real-life connection.
Hey, wanna go for a walk with me?
Children don't just need limits. They need help finding their way back to the world that feels harder, but is far more real. Children may be small, but their feelings are big. This story has many layers. Watch again and you may discover more. If it touched you, share it with someone who might need it. Question: have you ever noticed a child choosing screens over people? What do you think they were really escaping from? We are here to listen, without judgment. This was Story 34. Stay with us for more Child Mind stories.